Alright guys, I think I might finally have a good zombie apocalypse revolver. Smith & Wesson 325. Now it's an air light, which means it's really light. Also means it's easier to carry. Got it loaded up on the Zombie Max and the moon clips. I like that because it's so easy, quick to load. Just as quick as loading a 1911, but I still get to have a revolver. And I just picked this up yesterday. I don't know what those like dots in the bluing. I don't understand that. It's anyway, it's a titanium cylinder with a aluminum frame and a stainless steel barrel. Excellent sights on it, if you can see that. Real good sight picture with that. Grips are gonna go. Already picked out some nice rosewood grips. And being it's a round butt, it'll be a little more compact than these. Because with a round butt, it stops about here. And all this is just crap. So, anyway, I'm gonna show this off. Quite pleased. I've been wanting one of a 45 ACP revolver that uses the moon clips. Because you can just, little practice, you can load these real fast. And bam, it's right out. If you don't drop it on your foot. Anyway. Alright guys, later.